Introducing Coral Move FR and Coral Move Vision FR, the ProFit installation method. ProFit, the innovative adhesive-free installation system, improving efficiencies in time, cost and operation. ProFit comprises an integral velour backing to the floor covering and a special fire-retardant hook tape adhered to the subfloor. The advantages of using the ProFit installation system over traditional fully bonded adhesive systems mean cost savings for train operators as a result of quicker and easier installation and replacement, no need to wait for the adhesive to dry, no waiting time before the carpet can be walked on, immediate use of the train after installation. For more information or to request a visit from a key account manager, please contact Forbo Flooring Systems, either by telephone, email or online. If you'd like to be kept up to date regarding product updates, industry news and events, then sign up via our website to our quarterly newsletter, Transpress. And don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter for daily updates, regular blogs and current industry news.